Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Finding the slope of a polar curve at a specific point is actually super fast if you know the right formula. Let's solve this now. First, we need the polar slope formula, which relates dy dx to the derivative of r with respect to theta. We use the product rule on our x and y coordinates.
Next, we plug in pi for theta. Since sine of pi is 0 and cosine of pi is -1, the entire formula simplifies down to a very manageable fraction quickly. Finally, substitute the values 2 and -3. This yields 2 divided by -3, which matches answer choice D. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check steps carefully.